Good morning, everybody. It is 6:30 a.m. on Tuesday, May 16th, and here we go into another game of ping pong. Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. 28 days of the last 30 have basically ended within 1% of 4130. Yesterday broke the trend. We broke the trend. Applause, everybody. The SPX closed up 9.63 points above the open. Yeah, we had a green close. 31 point range. Ping pong. But yeah, just looking at May alone, May 1, 41.87 was the high, 41.67.87, and the day before, April 28th. Those are two of your three closes that are above 41.55. Now, as you can see, after the full moon took place there on May 5th, highest close has been this highest visit has been 41.54.28. So we're always respectable, we are always respectful that 41.55 may attempt to show up. And thus, when it does, we will get a better entry, get better credit, blah, blah, blue, blue, blee, blee. But the last 2 days, going Friday and going yesterday, we've been topping out just above that 41.40 area, and we magically closed right on that 41.36 as if it was a magnet. So here we go into Tuesday, and like I showed you there in your email, last Tuesday closed 41.19. Prior Tuesday closed 41.19. That was a minus 1% visit. Tuesday prior to that, April 25th, closed 40.71. Another minus 1% visit. Haven't had a minus 1% visit now in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and today is day number 8 without a visit to minus 1%. Minus 1% today, below 4,100 at 40.94.92. It is again another one of those, oh, here we go. So at least yesterday had a little bit of excitement. 0 DTE, 4130 calls, missed it by about 5 minutes. Got a nice little run on that. And then because I was looking at that prior to talking about how, hey, we keep closing below the open, the 41.25 puts were under $1. So, yeah, why not? Wound up making a run up to around 5. So those guys that took advantage of it in the room, I'm sorry, maybe it was the wrong pronoun. Those Bud Light, Miller Light lovers and haters and non-affiliated other alcoholic beverage drinkers who did take part of it obviously had a bit of enjoyment during the course of that ping pong. So here we are showing you a 5-day SPY chart, and doesn't take a rocket scientist to see lower highs, but it does not also take a rocket scientist to see that 410.16 continues saving the day in and day out. I'll come back to the SPX in a minute. Here is the QQQ. This right here, 326.97, is the official bear market line. This is where the QQQ is now only 20% from the all-time highs. That's 38.55 for those that don't know over there on the SPX. Zoom out for you a little bit wider, and here is your 15-day move off of that little tiny dip we got on April 25th back there to 309, and we created 1, 2, 3 gaps. We don't have really a gap to talk about today. 326.79. We're right here at 326.86. Not much to talk about, but yes, we do have a gap. So again, it is more of this is a top, sell some credits. unless you're going to go and play zero DTE puts, which Sovan, great job that you played yesterday, came right down to the overnight high, bam, bam, right there to 324, and obviously got that rocket ship bounce off of it. So, VIX, we again have another gap to the upside overnight, meaning that this gap to the downside is highly likely to wind up getting filled today. So, yay, yay. NDX still have this big sell divergence on the daily and nothing still to come to fruition of it. May as well just go up there and hit 13,603 real quick and get it over with so you can start rolling over. But yeah, it's this NASDAQ, the QQQ, it's being a pain in the fucking ass. And until we get someone or something that goes and hits it in the head with a hammer like Home Depot's earnings just did, we're fucking stuck like Chuck. So sell the credit, keep selling the call credit, and we just fucking wait. So here we are, SPX again. We are looking at let me pull you into my chart. Thanksgiving. This is weird because talking about Thanksgiving 3 weeks ago. Here we go. That was the move up to that 41.8692. And as you can see here, we are going absolutely nowhere. We still have that gap from May 4th after we had the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday red closes. Big move up there on the Friday. So we're sitting here. We're stuck. We're stuck like Chuck. 40.90, 40.90, 40.90, 40.90 here, 40.90 here. Right there, those right 49, 40.99, 40.99. Here's your 40.50 and here's your 40.50. And that's what I'm looking for as we start heading into next week. Not this week, but next week. Getting the full moon to do its jam job, getting Jay Powell on Friday to come out and do whatever the hell he's going to do. The debt ceiling, do whatever the hell it's going to do. But something is going to come out and be a reason that we are going to go blah bloop and finally get a move to the downside and get ourselves some range expansion. So I will leave you with the LeBron James family Taco Tuesday. But prior to doing that, I will tell you this. We have a lot of fun in the chat room when things get slow. Some people get a little bit too anxious and start bitching and complaining about the video game that the market is. That's what they made social media for, because the stock market's a video game. It is, it was just like we said yesterday. So when we do make comments over there in the main chat room, we can bash Biden. It's a little bit sensitive to bash Trump, but still, fucking bash him as well. You could bash Yogi Berra, bash the Yankees, bash, the fucking LA Lakers. You could bash, whatever hockey team you want to, since 90% of people don't even know couldn't name a hockey player. You could bash golf, you could bash everything, But I will warn you right now, any one of you motherfuckers bashing Martha Stewart, 81 years old, as smoking fucking hot as she looks on the Sports Illustrated swimsuit cover, I will kick you the fuck out of the room. I will fly over to where you are and I will bash your fucking head in with that magazine. No, 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 no. Martha Stewart smokes weed with Snoop Dogg. Nobody bashes Martha Stewart. Happy Taco Tuesday. Love everybody. Let's have some fucking fun. Let's make some money. And here's the LeBron James family to root on. Let's get a -1% day. 'Cause it's Taco Tuesday.